Problems with plumbing occur more frequently than you may think, and this is especially true with homes that are older. Whether the issue at hand is as basic as a leaky faucet or a clogged drain, or something more demanding like replacing an entire sink, they are all problems that will take the wind out of your sails and create issues. While smaller issues can be resolved by homeowners themselves, the more difficult problems have to be taken care of by an emergency plumber in Orange County. Before you hire a plumber, even though you may have an emergency situation on your hands, you need to stop and consider the following factors. License. The plumber that you hire needs to be licensed, insured, and bonded. There should be a license number that the plumber will display in advertisements as well as on his vehicle or on his website. A licensed plumber is a requirement, meaning that if something were to go wrong while he is on the job, your assets will be protected. Experience. Several homeowners will hire a plumber that can only offer them the bare minimum without realizing his experience and credentials. Experience absolutely counts, as you want to be sure that the repair job is done right and in a professional manner. While experienced plumbers will cost more money, their service will most of the time be better. There is no point in hiring a plumber with skills and experience that is insufficient for the job you need to get done. Response time. When looking for an emergency plumber in Orange County, find out how soon they are able to solve problems. While emergency plumbers can be contacted at all times, the time it takes to get to your location can be delayed due to how far you are from him. Overall cost. Professional plumbers will come to your home to examine the job that needs to get done. This is part of a free estimate. If you agree to pay the cost of the estimate, they could get to work right away. If not, you will have time to think about the decision or gather the necessary funds to pay him. The estimate should include labor costs, resources, and of course, the problem that is being solved. You would like your estimate to be one flat rate or an hourly rate, although you will pay a lot of money if your problem takes a long time to get fixed. It is also worth noting that you should verify with your plumber about the deadline that you must pay by. Some plumbers wish to be paid upon the completion of a certain period of work, while others would like to be paid depending on the time they need to do the job. Some plumbers either overlook the cleanup required after finishing the job, or they will charge extra to do so. Always be sure to check if a cleanup fee is in the estimate, and, if not, then have them tell you why. Depending on whether or not the cost is worth it, agreeing to hire them is your choice. Finding a skilled and qualified plumber can be an overwhelming experience. If you choose the wrong plumber, you can put your plumbing system at risk and end up with a bigger problem on your hands. This will end up costing you more money as well as peace of mind. It is important to take some time to make your decision on which plumber in your neighborhood is good to hire. These considerations can make a world of difference in helping you hire the right plumber for the job.